The red colored part in this map shows the regions where lions were found in the 18th century. And the little blue colored dots shows the regions where lions are found now. A complete extinction of lion, and no next generation can see a wonderful animal like lion. Pranam friends. Lion, the king of the jungle, which is the most powerful animal in the world, is at the edge of extinction. As I mentioned earlier, now lions are limited in only some regions of the earth. But what are the reasons behind this? Thus, the colonial past of India and Africa has something to do with it. These countries were exploited a lot and their natural resources were destroyed at great extent. As you know, my friends, most of the world was under the British Empire and the British officials had made hunting big animals as a game. In case of India, thousands of Asiatic lions were killed by British officers, soldiers and Indian princes aligned with them. In African countries like Kenya, lion hunting was at its peak between 1898 to 1930, which is also mentioned in the book Big Cats and Imperialism by William K. Story. And you won't believe it is still legal in Africa to hunt. Kenya became the first country to ban hunting in Africa, but it still happens in South Africa, Botswana, Namibia and Zimbabwe. Trophy hunting happens there at great extent. Here, the word trophy means valuable things like horn, skin, etc. Now to make you more clear at what extent it happens in Africa, I will tell you a story or a case that happened with a famous lion. There was a giant lion named Cecil in Zimbabwe. Cecil was very well-known lion and was very famous on TV shows related to wildlife. But one day, Cecil gets killed by a US dentist, Walter James Palmer, and that too with cruelty. He first shot him in leg and then kept him suffering for 10 days, and then shot him to death and beheaded him. How terrifying is this? I mean, literally, it is not expected from human race. One other type of hunting that happens in Africa is canned hunting, which happens in private farms called as ranch. But one good thing is that, luckily, this type of hunting does not happen in India. Secondly, illegal trading is another main threat. Friends, as you know, animal skin, nails, bones are on high demand for making medicines and other equipments and are sold in crores. To earn this money, poachers take the help of local tribes, offer them lots of money or threaten them. As they are not so well-to-do people, they help to the poachers in poaching and lead to killing of thousands of lions, which contributed to poaching crisis that is being done from decades. The third threat, which is not caused by humans in some extent, are the viruses. In Serengeti, lion population reduced by 30% due to mobile virus. The spread of feline herpes virus and feline immunodeficiency virus has devastated huge lion population in Africa. The last threat is the climate change. Climate in last 2-3 decades is changing rapidly, where the patterns are fluctuating. We humans doesn't care about it at all, as we have ACs at our homes if it's too hot, and when there is too cold, we have heaters. But what about the innocent animals? How will they survive? As climate change makes land more arid and inhospitable, it has led huge habitat loss to lions. All these reasons showed and proved that lions, like many other creatures on our planet, are endangered primarily due to humans. And all credit goes to humans. Congratulations! This doesn't mean that all humans are bad. There are people who cares for environment like you and me, and the people working in the organizations like African Wildlife Foundation, Alerts African Lion and Environment Research Trust, Big Cat Rescue and NGOs in India like the Wildlife Institute of India Initiative. But still, there is too much to be done. More and more projects must be launched to conserve lions. Poaching must be banned everywhere, and most importantly, awareness must be spread. That is what I am doing. People should know how important lions are. If they get extinct, herbivorous population will increase as hell, and which will cause lack of food to humans. This will create a great imbalance in food chain. Now, it's your turn to do something for lion conservation. You can donate to government organizations working for lion conservation, or you can spread awareness by sharing this video with the masses. If you gain something from this video, then like, share and subscribe. Our aim is to spread geography concepts and related matters all over the world, and you are the one who can help in this because your each view matters. Thank you, Dhanyavad. Thank you very much.